What's up, YouTube? I'm Joseph, and what you're about to watch is a beer review. Today's beer comes from Belching Beaver Peanut Butter Latte. Comes in 5% alcohol by volume, and I can't wait. I had beer by Belching Beaver before. I had their peanut butter milk stout, and I had their Here Comes the Mango. They're both pretty good. So can't wait to see what this one brings. Just pop it open and give it a try. Small hiss, a little bit of smoke. A nice little head on it. Over to the light. It's a little cloudy, but it looks good. Let's have a smell. Oh yeah, the peanut butter is definitely there. No hiding the peanut butter. Oh yeah, so let's have a drink. Cheers. It tastes like peanut butter. I'm not even lying. It literally tastes like a peanut butter latte. And the beer is good. I like it. Probably one of the best beers ever. That's good. I buy this beer again. Hell yeah. I recommend this beer. Hell yeah. Overall rating for this beer, I'm giving it 100 out of 100. The beer is that good. There's peanut butter there. It's there, you know. There's no hiding the peanut butter. It is good. You know, I wish another bottle of this, but I don't. But yeah, the one downfall is on this beer, I don't see a bottle on date. Oh well, the beggars can't be choosers, you know. Oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. God bless. Smoke on, my friend.